Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see unboxing products from Amazon. This I got two products from Amazon. Actually my brother bought this as a gift for my kids for their birthday. So here is the first one. It's a set of 20 books and the product is from Wonder House. So if you are planning for your kids from 2 to 4 years, that is toddlers, I think this is the best gift for them. My first learning library. Yes, it comes with set of 20 books like basic stuffs, ABC, numbers, vegetables, birds, colors, shapes, myself. So you'll get that basic things which actually the kids needed. So let's open this and see how the books looks like. Yeah, the book is quite handy and seems very neat and clear. I think this will help the kids to gain some knowledge and they'll be, very interested to see these kinds of books, like very small books. It's a really nice pick for me. I think if you want to give some knowledge to your toddlers, this would be better, I think. So rather than buying more toys and investing on toys is really, they'll break it in 1 or 2 days. If you give this, at least they will gain some knowledge. So really this is a good pick. If you see the price, it is around some 900, I don't know. So I'll give you the link in the description box. So it's really a good pick. Yes. So here is the second one. It's a dartboard. The brand is Lano. So it's a dartboard. It's not magnetic dartboard. It's a wooden dartboard with 6 arrows. Let's open and see how it's look like. Yeah, it's very colorful. So the dartboard is little heavy. So you really need a good holder for this to hold. So I don't think it's wooden, but it's little heavy only, but it's little soft. So let's see whether it could able to hold the arrows or not. If you see the arrows, it's very sharp, the edges are very sharp, so be careful if you have little kids. Yes, it holds perfect. So because the edges are very sharp, so it's holding. So it'll, as I said, it is little heavy, so you really need a strong hold for this. So I bought this for my 6-year-old boy, but I don't think whether he's going to use this or not, but adults can use this. It really, a good time pass for them. So in this box they have given all the instructions that are how to play and safety measures, everything they have given in the box. So you can go through this. This again, I bought this for some around 1000 rupees. I'll give you the link in the description box. So if you want to give a nice gift to your kids, that is boys from 7 to 10 years, I think this is the better choice for them. This will make them engaged. So for me, I think it's really a good stuff. But you should be very careful with as I said, you should be very careful with these arrows, and little cautious with that hanging the board. So this is our today's video. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.